Good evening, Andy Lade, 3rd of May. This is today's Squardle. Get straight into it. We'll start off with stair. Oh, right, we've got lots of letters going across here. There's an S and R going across here. There's an E going down there. There's an A over here, and an E and R up in this word. So it could be, well, it could, oh no, I was going to say it could be stair going down here, but it can't. But it could be scram. Let's try that one. Alright, so we've got an S in the right place, we've got an A in the right place. Going down here, we've got an E. Going across the bottom, we have nothing. Or it could start with an R. Could also start with an A. But we've got an E going down here somewhere. So we just want a word. Right, it's got an E there, it's going to end in like an L, an N, a D, a T. So it needs something, and then also if there's an E, there's a chance it might end ED. So we want something TED. Sated. So I want a better word. Oh, alright, and now there's a T. The E is somewhere on here, but it's not there. So it's either going to end in an E or it's going to have an E up here. And if it's going to E up here, it's going to be in the second letter. There's an A across there somewhere. That's not going to start with an S. It could start with an R. There's an A somewhere on here. There's definitely an R. There's definitely an E. So we want something, say RA, rated again, I guess. Sated I just did, but we could do rated in here. Right, the R is not at the top. The A and the E are in the right place. Going down, going across, we got ending in an AT. Could be an N there. Or an M there, something ending something mat. Kind of doesn't sound right. Can't really think of a word at the moment. That could be an R. So it could be something R ending in AT. Remat. No, it'd be remit, I suppose. Raw. Oh, no, it can't be roast. I can't. Right, just try and think. Put a letter in by here. See if I can't imagine the E is going to be S, so maybe it starts with an E. It's going to start SM. SM. Smelt. Oops. SMELT. Oh, alright, well, it's got to be smell then. So that's smell going down there. That EAT, it could be cheat. That would be something ACER. So, it could be no, it can't be race. I have to start with a different letter, but it could be something like ACER. Pacer. Pacer, is that a word? I'm not sure. Right. No, we got the A. I was going to say there's an A down there, but we've already got that A in place. And we're doing this word by here. So we've got an E going down, which isn't the first or isn't the fourth. It can't be the fifth, so it's going to be, E is going to be in the second place. An SE, right, so the R, right, so it's going to be RET, I'm guessing, or because, yeah, I think it's going to be RET, wretch. Right, wretch is right. So that's going to be, right, that's going to be something like miser, poser. And if it was miser, then that would be maker, or maybe not maker, macer. Poser would be paper and pleat. Okay, paper. So that could be poser, that could be paper, that could be pleat. That's going to be smell. And R-A-L. Oh my God. R-A-L something. Ralph. Can't really think of something there at the moment, but let's try paper. Right, paper, so that's going to be poser, going across there. This one is going to be pleat. And then the bottom word, so that's paper, poser, sorry. The bottom word is going to be R-A-L something H. Now the only the only thing I can think of, and it's a name, is Ralph. But yesterday, I think it was yesterday, we had Roger. Ralph. I don't know what Ralph means other than it being a name. I don't know what sort of word it is. Did it sort of like an English Ralph, you're sick, vomit, but that's like an English, I wouldn't even say that was a proper word, but there you go. Right, so 7 minutes, normal time for me for a Squardle. Hope you enjoyed. Recording, that away, just by there. If you could press subscribe, I'd be eternally grateful. Thank you very much. And any questions, please feel free to add a comment.